Okay, start the question. Read the question, beta. Yes, from starting.
Upon purchase on 1st April 2016, a second-hand machinery for 36,000 and spent 4,000 on its installation.
36,000 and 4,000 and total amount beta 40,000. Okay. Then 1st October beta
Yes, sir. In the same
again
year,
to bank only for 20,000. No beta. Up to this from the first year. Then close the account 31st March 16 then 17 by depreciation first and second machine. For first machine 4,000 and second machine beta total is 5,000. Then by balance CD first machine and second machine. First machine 6,000 and 19. It's the total 60,000 and this side 60,000 difference amount beta balancing amount 55,000. Now 1st April 17 to balance BD first and second. First is 36,000 beta and second is 19,000. Total amount is 55,000. Anything change? 1st April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Nothing. Then again 31st March 18 by depreciation first and second. First machine beta 3,600, second machine 1,900. Total amount 5,500. Then by balance CD first and second and total. Do it fast. 5,500. Sorry, 1,000. 55,000.
49,500.
And this 36 less 3,600. 36,000 less 3,600. What amount is coming?
32,400.
It's a 32,400 and 19,000 less 1,900, 17,100. Na? Okay, take this amount this side. To balance BD first and second. First is 32,400 and 17,100. It's the 1st April 18 beta. And total amount is 49,500. Up to this is clear? Any problems there? Up to this is clear, beta? Then start from April. 1st April 18. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, October. Sell or purchase?
Purchase.
Sell or purchase, beta?
Purchase. Yes, sir.
Sold. It means 1st October 18. Then buy first quota, buy depreciation and buy cash or bank. Depreciation. Which machine you are going to sell, beta?
So first machine.
First machine. And first machine value is this. Okay. So first we are charging what? Depreciation na? Before the selling, just charge the depreciation. 32,400 into 10 upon 100 into up to October. It means 6 months. So 6 upon 12. What amount is coming? Okay, 2620. And selling amount, beta?
So 1620.
And selling amount?
12,000.
Then take the difference. I think it's lost, beta. Because this amount is very less from this amount. 32,400. Okay. Total of this less from 32,400. What amount is coming? Tell me fast. Total of this. It means 13,620 less from 32,400. What amount is coming? Fast, beta. It's a very easy calculation only.
$28,780.
It came or not? See? 28,720. It came in answer.
Sir, 18,000.
18,720 or 80. 80. It came or not? Okay. Now first machine is finished. Okay. You have only one machine. On the date of October, any new machine you are going to purchase or not? Same date? No. Then
Yes, sir.
purchase, huh? Then to bank or cash. First October beta and amount beta
64,000.
64,000. Okay. Next nothing. October, November, December, January, February and March. On March is coming, then 31st March by depreciation second machine and third machine. Now from second machine 1710 and third machine from 6 month whole year 6,400 3,200.
Yes.
The total amount is. Now go for balancing. This side 1,13,500 and this side again same 1,13,500. Now calculate the difference amount by balance second machine and third machine. Take the difference. 17,100 less 1,710. What amount is coming? Tell me fast. 17,100 less 1,710. 1,710. Yes? 15,000? Okay. Then 64,000 less 3,200. 64,000 less
60,800.
now difference is 76,190. Okay. In next year a cell is there?
No, sir.
No sir, only balancing. Only balancing, then we can utilize this space. If cell is there, so then we are not utilizing this space. We need more space. Okay, I'm trying to just adjust in this space. Then 1st April, it's a 90 meter.
Yes, sir.
To balance BD first machine and second machine. Okay beta, first machine value beta, tell me 15.
Second, third.
Sorry, second and third. Second value 15,390 and third 60,800. Okay. And total amount is 76,190. Now 31st March 20 by depreciation. Okay. Second and third. Now calculate. Second 10%. 1,539. Last 60,80. Total amount is this side 9,167. Okay. 76,19. then by balance sheet second and third. Okay, go for balancing fast. 76190. 76190. See the difference?
13,851.
13,851 and
54,720.
54,720. And total amount is
68,571.
68,570. Answer is coming or not? Just check. Check everyone. It's total case of calculation only, beta. Okay? If your calculation is good, then you will easily solve the whole question. No any problem. Okay? Only purchase is here, one sale is there, and one purchase finished. And on the time of sale, only remember the things. First cut the depreciation, then cash or bank, and then calculate the profit or loss. Okay? Clear?